In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Harry's subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've highlighted a list of a few different ways to cancel Harry's subscription. So the first way is go to the official website of Harry's, and then once there, log in. Then navigate to the account or profile section, go to your subscriptions or a similar section where your subscriptions are managed. Select the subscription you want to cancel, click on cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. So on mobile devices, so open the Harry's app and then log in if you haven't done so already. Tap on your profile icon or go to account settings, find your subscriptions or a similar section, then select the subscription you want to cancel. Tap cancel subscription and follow the instructions to confirm your cancellation. And the last way here is through customer support. So if you encounter any issues cancelling online, you can contact Harry's customer support for assistance. So the contact methods here, which I've found, so email, send an email to help@harrys.com, and you got the phone call, so you can call their customer service at that number I've provided on screen. And you can also use the live chat feature on their website during business hours. And a side note, important note, make sure to cancel your subscription a few days before your next billing date to avoid being charged for the next shipment. Check your email for a confirmation of the cancellation to ensure it has been processed.